When you refer to people, places, things, or ideas in a general sense without using specific names, it's called a common noun. Therefore, speaking generally without mentioning specific names of people, place, things, or ideas in an easy way to identify common nouns. When the names of people, places, things, and ideas are spoken in the general sense, it becomes a common noun. Example for person: doctor, lawyer, mother, father, and friend. Example for places: theatre, circus, school, and zoo. Example for things: toys, books, car, and pets. Example for ideas: happy, sad, love, and anger. Pro tip: a common noun starts with a small letter and is said in general sense. Quiz time. Identify the common noun from the following sentences. My friend is coming home. Answer: your friend and home are common nouns. The school is nearby. Answer: school is the common noun here. My pet is unwell. Answer: pet is the common noun here. Share this common noun activity with your friends.